Stylish Mounted Wall Light Ideas 2024. Hello everyone and welcome back to Aesthetic Homes. Welcome back to another video on stylish mounted wall lights. Stylish mounted wall lights have become an increasingly popular choice in contemporary interior designs, offering a unique blend of functionality and aesthetics. These fixtures not only serve as practical source of illuminations but also contribute significantly to the overall ambience and decor of a space. The key appeal of mounted wall light lies in the ability to create focused directional lights that can be customized to suit the specific need of a room, whether use of a red lighting beside a bed, accent lighting in a living room, or a task in a home office. These fixtures provide versatility in their applications, stylish designs in various shapes, sizes, and finishes, cater to the diverse tastes and styles. In addition to the functional benefits, stylish mounted wall lights play a pivotal role in enhancing the visual appeal of a room. Their strategic placements can be create a dramatic effect, causing the lights and shadows that highlights architectural features and artwork or decorative elements. These fixtures can also serve as statement piece in their own right, with the design forward options available in a variety of materials including brushed metal, glass, and even sustainable and eco-friendly choices. Moreover, advancement of energy efficient LED lights and LED technology has made these lights eco-conscious options, minimizing both energy consumptions and maintenance. The key appeal of mounted wall light lies in their ability to create focus and directional to customize the specific need of any room, whether used a red lights or a accent lighting in living room. Stylish designs in various shapes and sizes can be catered the device and the minimalistic to vintage and ornate. In summary, stylish mounted wall lights are sophisticated and versatile lighting solutions that not only elevate the functionality of a space but also adds a touch of elegance and sophistication to any interior designs, making them a top choice for contemporary homeowners and designers. Thank you so much for watching our video. We hope so you found our video inspiring and informative. At the end, give a like to our video and don't forget to subscribe our channel Aesthetic Home for more.